This manual coffee grinder is really easy to use. Its stainless steel burrs allow for precision and consistent grinds every time. The settings are super easy to adjust and requires minimal effort to operate. This grinder is made out of heavy-duty materials that won't break and will last for years. To change the settings, turn the black ring to the right and adjust to your liking. Next, use the grind catcher as a dosing cup and fill your beans up, and then place the beans in the top chamber of the grinder. Add the handle and begin turning the handle clockwise until all of your beans are finished grinding. Unscrew the bottom and pour your grinds into any coffee maker you use. This coffee grinder is great for getting different grinds for different coffee brewers. Its compact design makes a perfect travel companion so you can enjoy making all types of coffee anywhere you are.